everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap and I'm a watchmaker here in the Netherlands, and I would like to show you something special. A watch came in and really different in a mechanical sense than we're used to. It's a Rolex Oyster Quartz, it's the caliber 50-55, and it's different because it's a hybrid. It's a hybrid between a mechanical movement and a quartz movement. And it's just about one of its kind. So that's nice to show you. Rolex 50-55. And if you're into this, if you're into watchmaking, you can have a look at our YouTube channel, Chronoglide. And then you can see clips about how a watch works and quartz movements. And once you've seen that, this is pretty interesting. Because usually in a quartz movement, the quartz part itself is only is the complete escapement function. And now here you can see it's got a pellet fork without the pellets, a bit like a pin lever escapement, and only the function of the balance wheel is made in a quartz variant, and that makes it interesting. Here you can see the function of the pellet fork, and just about, you see a bit more light, there you go. The moving part there is exactly the same as the function of the double roller just underneath the balance wheel. And here the pellet fork is pretty special because it's got a double function. The small pin is movable, so it's hitting the sloped side of the escape wheel and it pushes it away, and then the wedge shape is keeping it centered. So it's pushing away and locking at the same time, all in the motion of one pellet fork. So you can see the two pins are a spring, got a small spring behind them, so they're movable. So they're pushing the escape wheel away and then locking it with the wedge shape. Interesting, right? And what I really like here, because it's got a pellet fork, you need banking pins. And again, if you're into this, please have a look at our YouTube channel Chronoglide. And here the two banking pins, the two red dots, are made of ruby tubes, studs. Now that is nice. So it's got ruby banking pins. Here it's got this device. You can see the hairspring, not a balance spring, but a hairspring. And here, horizontally, is the part that goes pep, pep, pep. And that is magnetic, driven by magnetism. So, I hope you find it just as interesting as I do. It's got a huge battery. It's really sturdy. But it's, well, it is accurate, but it needs maintenance. So it's a vulnerable movement, especially if it has a leaking battery, or once had a leaking battery. But lovely stuff. There we go. The Rolex Oyster Quartz caliber 50-55. Well, hope you enjoyed it, and well, have a look at our YouTube channel Chronoglide, and please leave some comments so we can read them. Thank you so much. See ya. Bye bye.